Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to TCL 20L. Start by opening Play Store on both devices. Then you need to tap on the search bar, type Send Anywhere, and download this app from this developer. After that, open it. Now choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then do the same on an Android. And after that, select Receive on TCL and Send on an Android over here. Then click on all of those kind of dots and choose Send in order to send all of your data. But I don't want to do that because it will take a lot of time, so I will only go with this one photo. Choose Send and I've got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and choose Receive or Scan QR code. In order to scan it, tap on the scanning icon, choose Allow, and point your TCL's camera at the QR code. Sorry. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred, but if you wish to check it out for sure, you can always go into, for example, some kind of files app, select in my case images and tap on Send Anywhere folder. As you can see, my picture is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!